Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax Charleston. I want to show you guys a new listing we just took in. This is a 2021 Scout 195 Sport Dorado. You still saw that full hull black hull color. We also have a white painted Yamaha 115 in the back. She's equipped with full cushion package. So we've got the bow cushion package, as well as underneath we have a full SeaDek interior. So we've got the teak lines as well as the Scout inlay in the nose. Forward lounges. We've got the 9-inch Garmin at the helm. We have a power pole in the back, so we have our control there. Full stereo with Bluetooth hookup and trim tabs. This boat has a bimini top as well as a full boat cover. If you guys have any questions about this beautiful listing, she's got 113 hours on her Yamaha 115. Please let us know if we can help. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.